Hey guys, it's Darth Lime here with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be showing you how to download shaders into Minecraft. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Firefox, and we're going to go ahead and actually download Minecraft first. Because as you can see, we have no Minecraft. You're going to have to download the installer after you've already signed in, so I'm just going to skip to that part. Okay, so once you've logged in, it should show you this page. We're going to go ahead and download launcher. And instead of clicking this button, we're going to go down here and actually click the legacy launcher. It's much easier to work with. So let's wait for that to download, and then we'll go ahead and click OK. Since I already have it downloaded on a different account on my computer, I'm just going to hit click repair. But for you, it should just automatically start downloading the launcher onto your desktop. Okay, and we'll just skip to when I actually have it on my desktop. Okay, and as you can see, I now have Minecraft loaded onto my desktop. So that was the first step. So the next step is actually getting the shaders downloaded into Minecraft. So the first thing we need to do is actually run Minecraft. That'll actually get all of the files loaded on your computer and have all the file paths that you need loaded up so that the shader program can actually target them. Okay, you're going to need to log in. Okay, it should show something like this. So we're going to go to a new website called OptiFine. So it's going to be optifine.net. And we're going to go ahead and it should show up this page. Go ahead and click downloads. Click mirror, because if you click download, it's going to give you an ad. Let's go ahead and click mirror. It's the same exact thing. Click download, and that's going to download this jar file, which if you do not have Java already installed, it is not going to show up as a Java file. So the first thing we're going to want to do before we run this is actually download Java. So we're going to go to java.com. As you can see here, java.com, just click download. It should bring up the same page. Just go ahead and click download Java. Go ahead and click that and run it. Okay. Looks like it has been installed after this. Okay, looks like it's been installed. So we're going to go ahead and close this. Okay, so now that Java has downloaded, we can see here that we can run OptiFine, but it's running a different version than what Minecraft is. So if you kind of look at them side by side, OptiFine is 1.20.1 and Minecraft is 1.20.2. So the newest version at this time of making this video has not come out for OptiFine. They do update it quite frequently, but just not yet for 1.20.2. So we're going to go ahead and need to downgrade a Minecraft version. So we're going to go here to, if you guys can see that, I clicked installations, new installation. We're going to name it something. We're going to name it 1.20.1. You don't need to name it that. You can name it whatever you want, but that's what I'm going to name it. We're going to go down to 1.20.1. It's right here. And then we can just leave this blank. Unless you really know what you're doing, you can just leave it blank. Go ahead and click create. And there it is. So we're going to click play, so that way it starts making and downloading the files for that version. And then we'll actually get into Minecraft and then back out again, so that way we have all the file paths that we need for 1.20.1. So let's go ahead and skip to that. Okay, so now you can see that we went ahead and loaded in after it downloaded. So from here, we can go ahead and exit out. Alright, so once we've exited out, we're going to go ahead and run that OptiFine file. Go ahead and run it with Java Platform SE binary. That's what you downloaded earlier. And here it should already target the file path for your Minecraft location. Okay, it's installed now, so we'll go ahead and run Minecraft. Okay, so now you see that you have 1.20.1 down here on the left. Go ahead and switch that over to OptiFine, and then click play. Click I understand, click play. Okay, now you can see that we're finally into the game. We'll go ahead and click single player and make a world. We'll make it creative. We'll put on peaceful. We'll create a new world. Okay, so this is what it looks like before the shaders. Just kind of get a visual of what we're seeing here. Now we're going to exit out of the world. We're going to go to Options, Video Settings, Shaders, Shaders folder, and here we can put our shaders in. So next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to actually want to download some shaders. So I highly recommend, sorry, one second. I highly recommend this shader here. It's the one that I opened up the video with. It's very extensive on your computer, but it's very pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and download it. And here we are, download very quickly, and it's in a zip file, just like we want it. So next thing we're gonna do is bring back up that shader pack, and we're going to drag that in. So we're gonna hit downloads, and as you can see, it's here. We can just drag it in, and that's been moved over. So Minecraft can now see that shader. It's gonna reload Minecraft once you've dropped that shader in there. And you can click onto, oh, it's reloaded it again. So you can click onto that shader, click done, and now it's gonna load that same world with that shader. So remember what it looked like before, and here it is after. Okay, well, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, just go ahead and leave that in the comments. If you liked the video and found it helpful, go ahead and leave a like or subscribe if you want more videos like this. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for following along.